rise and shine at Fort Ransom State Park. Nestled in the rolling hills and lush forests of the Sheyenne River Valley, prepare for your day's journey at the Visitor Center, where you can chart your course along our 20 miles of trails, open to adventurers of all kinds in every season. Ride through the open prairie on your bike. Encounter like-minded equestrians as you traverse our many horse trails. With your furry friends in tow, explore the park's diverse terrain and sprawling landscapes. The North Country National Scenic Trail runs through Fort Ransom, all the way to the East Coast. In the colder months, try snowshoeing and rent some cross-country skis for our 10 beautiful miles of trails open during the winter. If you want to go a little faster, our snowmobile trail system is a unique way to take in our scenic grounds. Winding through the entire park is the Sheyenne River Trail. Float and relax on kayaks you can rent for the whole family. Experience what life in North Dakota was like for homesteaders by touring the seasonal crops and historic structures at Sunne Farm. Amenities abound at Fort Ransom, and there are plenty of ways to stay at the park, from traditional campsites to snug cabins, even thematic stays, like covered wagons or yurts with the coziest interiors. Our fully restored Bjone House provides riverside charm with year-round accommodations for guests. Whenever you visit, you can be sure that every trail leads to adventures at Fort Ransom State Park.